It's been 18 days since I posted anything. I've really been under the weather. So I had to take a break and focus on getting better. Thank God I'm feeling much better. So while I was away, my landlady's little son celebrated his birthday. And I couldn't help but to capture little moment from the day. It was so nice seeing him happy and everyone celebrating with him. Happy birthday, little man. I pray you keep growing in good health, wisdom, and in God's favor. Thank you to everyone who checked up on me during my break. I really appreciate and I'm happy to be back. And I can't wait to share more lifestyle moments with you all. Now let the party begin.